Take a 2-byte number in register pair BC, divide this number by 2 and store the result in DE register pair. I am going to explain the logic of this program using a decimal number. When the number in a decimal is divided by 10, whatever logic we apply, the same logic we apply when the number is considered in binary and it is divided by 2. Suppose in register pair BC, the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means high order register is B. The two digits in register B are 1 and 2, and in register C 3 and 4. When this number is to be divided by 10, the last bit or last digit is to be eliminated. That means we shift one decimal place towards left, and answer you will get as 01 in B register and 23 in C register. How we can achieve this? This can be explained by giving one example. Here before that the content of carry, it should be 0. This is considered as carry, it should be 0. I am explaining this considering the numbers are in decimal form, and same can be applied when the numbers are in binary and it is divided by 2. The number in BC register pair is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 in B, 3, 4 in C. 1 is the high order digit, 2 is the low order digit, 3 is the high order digit, and 4 is the low order digit in that respective register. Here, to achieve this result, to get this result, first you have to make the carry flag as 0. And take the number from register B to accumulator and rotate this number through carry. Okay, when you rotate towards right, the 2 goes to the carry, 1 goes to the most significant digit position, 0 goes to the most significant digit position, and 1 goes to the least significant digit position. That means in B you will get number 01. Now take the number from register C to accumulator. Here carry is having number 2. Again rotate this. When you rotate this, 4 goes to the position of carry, 2 becomes the most significant digit, and 3 becomes the least significant digit. That means in register C you will get number 23, and in register B you will get number 01. The same logic is to be applied when the number is considered in hex or considered in binary. Here LXIB 1, 2, 3, 4. In BC register pair, the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is taken. This is 3-byte instruction. 1 is the low order, so 1 is the operation code, 3 low order data, 1, 2 high order data. Intentionally we have to make the carry flag as 0. Therefore first instruction is STC. With the help of STC, carry becomes 1. Second instruction is CMC. With the help of CMC, carry becomes 0. That means intentionally we make carry as 0. Then next instruction is move B to A. Whatever the number is in register B, it is transferred to A. The A becomes 1, 2. Here in binary it is represented 1 and 2. And then perform the RAR instruction. When RAR instruction is performed, this 0 takes the position of carry. Carry is shifted to the D7, D7 shifted to D6, and in this way in accumulator you get number 09. Transfer this number from accumulator to register D and then take the number from C register to accumulator, move C to A, and again rotate. When we take the number from C to A, here in accumulator you will get the number 3, 4. Rotate it. This 0 takes the position of carry. Carry goes to D7. D7 goes to D6. In this way, the content of accumulator becomes 1A. The content of accumulator becomes 1A. This number is transferred to register E. In this way, the DE register pair is having 091A. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 2. You will get the answer 091A, and it is stored in DE register pair. Here directly we are taking the data in register pair. We are not taking the data from consecutive memory location. Reset exam memory or set memory 2000, increment 01, increment 3, 4, increment 1, 2, increment 3, 7, increment 3F, increment 7, 8, increment 1F, increment 5, 7, increment 7, 9, increment 1F, increment 5F, increment 76, and increment. We entered the program. We are not going to enter the data because data is directly taken in BC register pair, and result we are going to store in DE register pair. So directly execute the program. Reset, go 2000 and execute. Here we are not storing the result to any memory location. That's why you are not getting memory location and its content. Go to register. Here accumulator 1A, register B, 1, 2, register C, 3, 4 that is data 1, 2, 3, 4, D 09, E 1A, H 1, 2, L 3, 4 and here 0, 0. Directly we can, here program end at 200B. Directly we can check the contents of register also. Register and A, 1A, register and B, 1, 2, register and C, 3, 4. BC represents 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is divided by 2. It is stored in DE register pair. Register D09, register E1A, register H12, register L34, register M, memory 00, stack pointer 00 and program counter 200B.